everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Zhiyun Smooth Q3 combo for a review.
Don't kill my vibe, baby. I'm walking on the moon.
The Zhiyun Tech Smooth Q3 is a compact folding 3-axis stabilizer for smartphones designed with a built-in LED video light with 3 selectable brightness levels. It provides stabilizing motion along the pan, tilt and roll axis to let you capture smooth, professional-looking video with your phone. The Smooth Q3 easily switches between portrait and landscape. You see it, allowing you to shoot both cinematic and social media videos while the LED light illuminates your subjects.
Don't kill my vibe, baby. I'm walking on the moon. I'm walking on the moon.
The Smooth Q3 weighs only 314 grams and can accept a max payload of 2080 grams. The Smooth QR happily it can take weight in phones like the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max and Samsung S20 and S21 Ultra. The battery capacity is 1300 mAh with a standard runtime 7 hours and max runtime 15 hours. The Smooth Q3 has a curved joystick look and feel. It's got a relatively small handle, but it folds up rather cleverly for extra mobility. The Diamond handles button layout is clear and concise, with a thumb easily able to reach small joystick and zoom button on the side, 2 more buttons, a swap from video to photos, and toggle around 5 stabilizer modes: pan following, locking, following, vortex, and point of view. On the reverse is a trigger button to reposition the smartphone, switching between portrait and landscape orientation, and enable Smart Follow 3.0 object tracking modes. With just a single tap in the companion iOS Android app, you can activate the Smart Follow 3 features to automatically follow a moving subject. On the right side is a USB-C slot to refuel its battery. Smooth Q3 offering a smarter experience in shooting. With Smooth Q3, a smartphone is all you need to make a great work of art with amazing effects. However, the basic change is the addition of a fill light that will make filming a piece to camera possible in all kinds of low light. The Smooth Q3 features an integrated fill light with a touch button. It can be rotated 180 to light up your subject or yourself when vlogging from all angles. 3 adjustable brightness levels allow you to set the right amount of light for different shooting scenarios. The gimbal can be set up to recognize a hand gesture such as holding up 5 fingers or being shooting. Use just a single gesture to start the shooting while you can just be yourself anywhere, anytime. Gesture control is also available in multiple panorama modes. With just a few settings applied in the included app, the Smooth Q3 can dolly and zoom forward your subject automatically as you walk forward, adding height and production value to your shots. Clone yourself to show different sides of you. With Magic Clone panel, you can shoot multiple images of yourself and arrange them on the same screen. No need to go through a difficult and time-consuming editing process, not to mention the cost of using a professional third-party editing software. Basically, the Smooth Q3 takes multiple photos in a given interval, merging all the photos into an epic panorama. One of my favorite features of this gimbal is the time-lapse option. Using the mini tripod, you can capture some amazing time-lapse videos via the interval recorder. The app even allows you to input several positions during a time-lapse, which will automatically pan through the duration, giving you a motion lapse. This feature alone makes the gimbal worth the money. With the dedicated Z-Cami app, I can now capture and create stories in more ways than ever before, with new features including smart time-lapse, time-lapse and advanced editor. For some beginners, it is hard to make a good video, but don't worry, Zhiyun offers some amazing templates to make video making easy and efficient. It has music, special effects and filters, and you can choose one based on your experience and situation. This gimbal is truly so easy to use. The Smooth Q3 takes the best features from previous Smooth Q2 device and puts them into a product that's more versatile and user-friendly. Smart shooting modes add the cherry on top to make this an easy recommendation. Overall, the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 is a great gimbal that could help improve and smooth anyone's smartphone videography. For me, it's the best smartphone gimbal of 2021. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see a video like this. Bye!